Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download Poppy Playtime Chapter 5 on your PC. So first thing you have to do is open up your Chrome browser, and once you have opened it, you click on search and search for Steam. So once you search for Steam, you click on the first website you're going to see and sign in to the website. So, and if you don't have an account with them, you can actually sign up and create a new account, right? So after that, you can see the search bar on your screen. Search for Poppy Playtime. So you can see clearly the chapter 453. So the one you're trying to actually download is the chapter 5. So you click on chapter 5 and you are going to see the trailer, and you can watch through it to know how the game works. So after that, you can now scroll down to where you can see the amount. So the amount is actually going for 19.99 USD, and after you have seen the amount and you can actually do that, click on the carts to actually add it to your cart, and then it brings you to this place where you have to complete your payment. So you can actually go back to continue shopping or just continue to make the payment. So once you click on this, you're going to see where you have to sign in. So after signing in, you can now add your card, but if you have your card linked to Steam, you can just easily process the payment, and you're going to see a download button where you can now download the game. So that's how to actually download the Poppy Playtime Chapter 5. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more input tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. My next video. Bye.